Some people get successful by being ruthless, but that success never lasts. I see it all the time. People trying to blow up fast, make quick money, burn bridges, step on everyone, talk badly about others, use people, fake their lifestyle. And for a moment, it works. For a moment, they look like they're winning. But here's the truth. Quick money is very easy. Longevity is not. And longevity doesn't come from being ruthless. It comes from the relationships you build, the rooms you're actually welcomed into, and the name you protect. In this industry, your reputation is currency. And people forget that. They think being loud is power. They think clout is influence. They think disrespecting others makes them look dominant. But the women who stay successful, the one who keeps growing, the ones who build real wealth, real networks, real opportunities, they're the ones who understand something very simple. Your name is more valuable than any quick bag. And if people can trust you, if people feel safe working with you, if your character matches your ambition, you will go further than any ruthless person ever will. Because trust me, in business, everyone talks. Your name travels into rooms long before you do. And the question is, does it open doors or close them? Because anyone can make quick money. But if you want longevity, protect your name, build relationships, and play the long game. That's where real success is.